All right, guys, welcome back to the video. We got the second part to our Michael's $10 grab bag boxes. So if you guys have seen my other videos, if you haven't, make sure you check them out. We did get some really good stuff. But yeah, so these could have a variety of either Christmas, Valentine's in it. I did get these from a different Michael. This set of 4 was from a different Michael's than my prior set of 4 that you guys, that were in the other videos. So we'll definitely see what stuff we got different from the other ones. And this one definitely is Christmas. Oh, okay. So we got one of these little holiday cheers, like a little blackboard. Just says tabletop decor. This is super cute. And this retails for $29.99, guys. And then, oh, we got some more of the vase fillers. I did get these in one of my other bags that was from the other Michaels. So, and they actually gave me quite a bit of these. These retail for $5.99 a piece. These are super cute. Nice little vase fillers. And then, oh my gosh, I just had these in the box prior. So, these are just little garland, holly leaves and berries. And this one retails for $14.99. And can I tell you, I will have ribbon for days. Oh my goodness. Oh, I had this one and this one, these two in my prior box. This one is like, it's like a clear plastic ribbon. I've never seen that before. And then some of this candy striped one. And then this one's got velvet and little ruffles on it. And these bigger ones retail for $12.99. These, I believe, are 2.5 inches wide and 20 feet long. And then we've got this one, which is 1.5 and 15 feet. And this one retails for $12.99. And then, oh, I'm going to have so many of these trucks with trees. Hopefully I have friends that will want to take them. This one retails for $12.99. Oh, this is a new one. This one's kind of cute. Looks like it's got some little rough lace. Oh, it's velvet. It's red velvet. So this one's kind of cute. This is 1.5 inches wide. This one retails for $12.99 also. And, oh, get one of these Creology kits. And one of the other ones is, oh, this is cute. This is a little Santa's mailbox countdown kit. This one's actually kind of cute. I like this one. They can actually do the little countdown. So my daughter is going to like this one. Even though she constantly asks me when's Easter, Mom. And then I got some more of the, are these scented? I don't think these ones are scented. They're just decorative pine cones. And then this one has a lot in it. We got a cute little picture frame. This one retails, oh, wow, $19.99. That kind of surprised me. And then, oh, we got a little Christmas frame ornament. It says Our First Christmas 2024. I mean, me and my husband have been together for like 30 years, but it could always be our first Christmas, right? And then, oh, this is kind of nice. Lights. Oh, yeah. We got 100 string along lights. These aren't LED, they're just regular. But this is the first time I've ever had lights in one of these boxes. This is kind of cool. These retail for $7.99. And then, oh, these are LED ones. 200 of them. This is actually kind of nice. Oh, and they changed to 8 different colors. These are nice. All right, guys. I think we hit the jackpot on this one. Retails for $39.99. This is a good deal. And then, oh, got some more lights. Garland string lights. This is kind of cute. I really like these. Oh, and they're battery operated too. Those are always nice because you can put them wherever you want. And, oh, these retail for $16.99. just regular decorative pine cones. I mean, that's the only bad thing about these things. They just leave stuff everywhere. And then, oh, we do got some little picks. These are super cute. I like putting these in my tree. So these will actually be really cute. As long as the cats don't try to eat them. And these retail for $1.99 a piece. And then, oh, got some different ribbon this time. I don't believe I've gotten this one. Yay! This one's 1.5 inches long, and this one retails for $12.99. But this one's kind of cute. It's got little ornaments, very retro-y. And OMG, we have a lighted headband. Can we turn it on? Let's see. Oh, it's got, hold on, I'll pull the tab out. So I can always put that back in. How do we turn these on, guys? Ah, in the back, I see it. Oh, there we go. Flashing alert. Sorry. These are cute. My 3-year-old will definitely be running around the house in these. And then, oh, I think, what is this? Sticky reusable ties. Oh, that's kind of nice to put lights up. I mean, being we did get 2 boxes of lights in here, that's kind of cool. Oh, we did get another one. Oh, this one's a little different. Oh, these are sticky mantle and shelf hooks. These are kind of cool. Those are nice. And these retail for $9.99 a piece too. And then, oh, these are cute. Looks like we got some more lights. This box has got quite a bit of lights in it. These are cute. Little Christmas trees. I don't know if you guys can see those. That's super cute. And they're metal. They're actually metal. That's cute. And these are $16.99. And then, oh, we got some more of these reef sashes. Were these an in thing, guys? Because I feel like I didn't know about these. We got this one in one of the last boxes, and then this one's super cute. The Nutcracker is definitely more my theme. But these are super cute. And I believe these retailed for, yep, $14.99 a piece. Oh, we got another one. Maybe they weren't that popular. I'm not sure. You guys will have to leave a comment and let me know. Are these a thing? Because I feel like I didn't know about them. But this one's cute too. This one says Jingle All the Way. And then always need ornament hooks. And we got more. Oh, it looks like we just, oh, it's lighted garland. Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, this is cute. I don't have any information on it. Looks like it's gone. But this is kind of nice. It's just lighted green garland. It looks like it's got the clear lights on it. And then this is the exact same one we got in the other box. This is just some holly leaves and berries garland. And these I think were $14.99. And then, oh, we got a cute little Christmas tray. This will be cute. Put little gingerbread houses in it. Make a little scene. This will be cute. Or even you can do like little houses and just make like a little scenery. This would be super cute. Guys, I'll have to try that. And it'll be on the, I'll make a video of it too. And then I think this is now my 4th Merry Christmas ornament. So definitely we'll probably give this away to like friends, family, whatever. We'll see. My older daughter might take some. But all right, guys. That is it for this box. Make sure you stay tuned. I do have 2 more boxes to open. So we'll see what goodies we got in that one. And I want to thank you guys all again. I know I thanked you in the last video, but I'm thanking you again. We've reached over 100 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, liking, sharing, whatever you're doing. It's helping. And I love it. So I appreciate you guys. So just keep on doing what you're doing. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.